The Bulgarian yogurt. Yogurt has been produced in Bulgaria for at least 4,000 years. In the early 1900s, the Bulgarian doctor Stamen Grigorov found the agent causing the fermentation in the Bulgarian yogurt and named it Bacillus bulgaricus. Did you know that Meiji Bulgaria yogurt has been bringing tastiness and health to the diet of Japanese people Japan since they bought the license for the LACTOBACILLUS bulgaricus from Bulgarian state back in 1973. Every year more than 400,000 tons of yogurt is consumed in Bulgaria. The main benefits of the Bulgarian yogurt are: strengthens the immunosystem, relieves irritable bowel disease, help digestion, reduce the risk of high blood pressure, helps in the treatment of osteoporosis, and prevents tumor growth. It's an excellent source of proteins. Is high in calcium. If you like this video, don't forget to share and like our Facebook page and YouTube channel.